Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, you'll discover how to change your age on Discord account. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Click on Discord support page by searching it on your web browser. Click on Submit Request, which will open a new tab. Select Appeals and Age Update Requests from the drop-down menu. Enter your email address in the provided field. Check this box here. Further, select Update My Age Information in the subsequent drop-down menu. You can optionally enter your phone number, but it's not mandatory. Enter the date of your birth you wish to have on your Discord account. Confirm the changes and proceed to the subject field. Type a subject like Age Update. Provide a brief description like the example given. Click the Submit button at the bottom. You'll receive a message confirming the successful submission of your request. Discord will respond via email with further information. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!